I was going to say that life has a habit of making us feel stuck. That's not true, because life is flowing, life is wonderful, life is a joyful event. We have a habit of making ourselves feel stuck. The habit is the habit of an adult lifetime. It's caused by the repetitive thoughts that the normal thinking mind uses on a daily basis to make it through the day. Because you must remember that we are wired for survival, and survival alone. Different people express their feelings of stuckness in different ways. Somebody a few months ago told me that he felt as though he were drowning, only to discover when he opened his eyes that he was actually swimming in a sea of opportunity. If you feel you're stuck, it's only because you think you're stuck. If you feel you're drowning, it's only because you haven't opened your eyes to realize that opportunity abounds. In the same way as somebody else said to me, he was trapped in his own mind, living in his own head. If you like, in his own little self-made prison cell. And then he opened the door. He realized that there was no lock on the door, and once he stepped out through the door, he realized that there was actually no prison cell at all. It was all of his own thinking mind's making. But what he told me was, the moment he stepped out the door, opportunity greeted him on something akin to a gentle breeze. What in God's name am I talking about? I'm talking about how, if we stop thinking, if we stop paying attention to the thoughts that hold us back, if we start being present in the moment, if we start taking control of our state of mind, we take control of our lives. We create opportunities. We don't just spot them. We actually become co-creators of opportunities with the energy of the universe that is all around us, that makes the sea of opportunity in which we're swimming. If you still don't know what I'm talking about, well, first of all, you're missing your life, but secondly, you're in luck, because right now I have a free series of online events that will explain exactly what I'm talking about in detail, in practical terms, so that you can take control of your state of mind, so that you can take control of your life, so that you can change your life. And that is why the series of online events is called Yes, You Can. All you have to do is use the link below this video. If or when you do, it'll be the first step on an adventure that poor old thinking mind of yours couldn't even begin to imagine.